How to delete all viruses on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to delete all viruses on iPhone, launch the Settings application on your device firstly and scroll down and tap on the Safari option. Here, scroll down again all the way to the bottom. You will see the option for Clear History and Website Data. Tap on that and then tap on the Clear History option. Recheck if the Clear History and Website Data is grayed out or not. This is one way to delete virus on your iPhone. Now go back and tap on your name banner and then tap on the iCloud option. You will see the option for iCloud Drive. Tap on that and then tap on Manage Storage. Now go ahead and tap on the Delete from iCloud option and then on Remove from iCloud. The other way to delete virus is go back and now tap on the iCloud option and then tap on iCloud Backup. Go ahead and toggle on the button for back up this iPhone. Once backed up, go ahead and erase all content and settings and restore it. To erase, go back to Settings homepage and then tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Erase all content and settings. Now tap on Continue. Once erased, restore all the device data, and this is how you can delete all viruses on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.